have a sweet Pinoy longanisa. We're gonna try this later for our mukbang. It's a big longanisa. And the brand is, okay, I think I'm allowed to reveal. The brand is Navara Brood Product Longanisa for our mukbang. This is my favorite, especially the ham that they have, the sweet ham. They also have a putlong and hot dog or sausage. This is my favorite brand. We'll try for our mukbang. And since we're cooking that on a stove burner, we're just using a woods to cook. We're gonna put our longanisa. The brand is Navara Food Products Longanisa. Sweet. This is my favorite aside from putlong. So, let it cool muna bago ilagay. So, medyo mainit-init na. It's time for us to put our longanisa. Okay? So, since mainit-init na, so, I'm not using the sandok na. Adjust lang natin ng konti. Ayan. That's it. And lalagyan natin ng takip. Here it is while boiling. We'll wait for a few more minutes until it will be malambot na and dry. Pinapalambot natin, titingnan na natin at tutusokin natin ang ating pork. Malambot na nga. So, wow. Tusukin po natin with using a pork, our longanisa, each one, dahil nagsastart na po siya malambot. This is about 12 minutes. No? So, medyo kumunti na yung water niya. So, tusukin natin each. Yan. So, mano-mano tayo, no? With my one hand on the camera. Each one talaga, ha? Each one of it. Sorry, my assistant is calling me. Tumatawag siya sa akin. He said that my father or my dad is calling me, but not yet. So, ganyan siya. At ayusin natin mga kasisam. Okay? And cover. Matagal natin na pinalambot at pinakuluan at nag-dry na ang ating water. Ito na. Totally dry. At nakikita mo nag-sticky na yung sugar. Nilagyan namin ng about 3 tablespoons to 4 ng mantika. Ito yung consistency ng oil natin. Ayan na. And then that's it. And then baliktad din natin, of course. Ganyan. Flip it. Ayan. And then tayo pa tayo ng mga ilang minuto. And then pwede na po siya ready.